Arrive in style with this Audi 2013 A3 TDI Premium Plus. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: turbocharged, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, temporary spare tire and rear spoiler. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.